some breaking news now coming in straight from the state of West Bengal with regards to that RG Kar Medical College's horrific case. Well, CNN News 18 has now accessed the exclusive CBI remand copy against RG Kar Medical Hospital's ex-principal Sandeep Ghosh. It states, and I'm going to quote a couple of lines from that remand copy over here, that many incriminating digital evidence was collected which proves that he in fact had a nexus with other co-accused people in the case. Sandeep Ghosh knew Biplab Singh and Suman Hazra, the main vendors, who mostly used to get all the tenders from the time he was posted in Murshidabad. Sandeep Ghosh, in fact, used to appoint house staff without adapting any transparent method. An investigation revealed that he used to, in fact, divert the academic fund to his close aid contractors. That's the incriminating evidence, and in fact, that remand copy of CBI actually suggests, which has now been exclusively accessed by CNN News 18. We have our editor East, Kamalika Sen Gupta, also joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, very good morning to you. Does this particular incriminating document now suggest that in fact the nexus has now been busted?
Yes, that's what CBI's claim is, and CBI has placed this remand copy obviously to the court, where point-wise they have written that why Sandeep Ghosh was arrested. Number one, there was a nexus between Sandeep Ghosh and the co-accused, who actually wrongfully has created loss to the government and made gain to themselves. Now this, the other partners of Sandeep Ghosh, the partners in crime, like Biplab Singh and Suman Hazra, they were known to Sandeep Ghosh from the time he was posted in Murshidabad. There they used to get tenders from Sandeep Ghosh, and that continued here in Calcutta also. While Biplab Singh, who is also a close aide of Sandeep Ghosh, who has also been arrested, he opened up names, in the names, various names, in his name, in his sister-in-law's name, in his father-in-law's, a lot of relatives' name, they created companies, and they also took part in the tenders, and wrongfully they used to get favor. That is one of the major points which is coming in. Also, this has been also from the ED aspect also, though that's not in the remand copy. ED has done a separate raid. We know that there are several wrong companies which was established, but in this remand copy it is clearly written that the money, huge amount of money might have been siphoned through Sandeep Ghosh, number one. Number two is Afsar Ali, who has also been arrested, who was known to be his personal assistant. There was a cafe inside RG Kar which was given to his wife, Afsar Ali's wife. There also transparent methods were not followed. Interestingly, house staff, people, the doctors who used to get into house staff, in that also Sandeep Ghosh has not followed the transparent method. So in terms, the main accusation is definitely that he and the co-accused, they used to run a nexus, and they were the people who only used to get tenders, like Mahatara Traders, which Biplab Singh is the owner of Mahatara Traders, and there has been several documents which they have got which proves that this unholy nexus used to operate there. And second is obviously, as far as house staff and other things are concerned, other such posts are concerned inside the hospitals, in those cases also no transparent method was followed. So it is essential to keep him in custody and continue the investigation. So the remand copy says that how CBI has done a research on the financial irregularities case. On 25th August, they conducted raids in various places of Sandeep Ghosh and his close aides residence, and from there they have got this incriminating digital evidence.
Right. Kamalika, we'll request you to please stay on with us. We've got some more breaking news.